If you want to make your baby a specialist English basic knowledge, so now subscribe my channel English Easy Basic Course. Hello viewers, I am Finoyan from Somdeep Chittagong and welcome to my channel English Easy Basic Course. So dear student, today I will discuss about the then. So student, then is very important words because every day we are using lot of times then. But then how to use? That means then what demands? Then after subjective case need or objective case need, or subjective or objective both are need. So if you understand them, so now like, share and subscribe my channel English Easy Basic Course. Dear student, first of all we have to understand then before what need and then after what need. Then before subjective case, then after also you have to use subjective case. And if you see then before objective case and then after also use objective case. So then after you can use objective case also, subjective case also. This is the main things. But how do you understand then after you have to use objective case? That's why now let's see one example. You are better than. Now see, you are better than I or me. Which one correct? This is the main fact. You are better than. So which one correct? I correct or me correct? Dear students, here me wrong, I correct. So you can question me, sir, how to I correct? Me also correct? Yes, but how to I correct? I given you example. Because you subject here. That's why then before you subjective case. So then after also you have to use subjective case. This is the main things. I think you understand. And you subject also, you object also. You subject also, you object also. Now you can question me, sir, how do I understand you subject also and you object also? Yes, if you want to understand that, now like, share and subscribe my channel English Easy Basic Course and continue, stay with me. I think now you understand. Here you subjective case, that means then before you subjective case, that's why then after we use subjective case. We'll see you how to use objective case. See, then when you say then before subjective case, then after subjective case. When you say then before objective case, then after objective case. So this is the main things. Then so you have to follow the sentences then before what case, subjective case or objective case. When you understand then before subjective case, then you have to use then after subjective case. If you understand this structure, then you can use then very easily. So there students, now let's examples then after how to use objective case. He likes you more than, now we see he likes you more than I or me. Here which one correct? He likes you more than I or me. So here which one correct? Here I wrong, me correct. So you can question me, sir, how to correct me? Okay, let's see. Here he subject, likes verb, you object. Now very easy understands. He subject, likes verb, you object. So that means then before you. So now we understand you object. So therefore then before object. So then after also we have to use object. What object here? Me. This is the main things. I think you understand these structures, how to use thens. Dear students, if you want to make good students, if you want to speak English fluently, so you have to achieve basic knowledge. So basic knowledge achieve for now you joined English easy basic course. Dear students, if you understand this class, so like, share and subscribe my channel English easy basic course and continue to with me English with Pinoyans. Thank you so much watching this video. Now you joined English easy basic course.